covers for my rainbow nails. This is for a detail, and this is for Mickey Mouse. These are the brushes. Riley's next because he has sharp nails. He scratched me really, remember?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to cut his nails.
Let's do it. Which one's first?
This one first.
Okay.
A drink.
Next is blue.
Yep.
Next is violet. God, these things are hard to open.
That's what Ashley does all the time.
It's a pro tip. Ashley's a pro. Red.
That's pretty. And like and subscribe if you want to do these.
Like and subscribe. Touch of glitter.
Couldn't find the other ones. And
All right, Mommy went to Michael's and bought this fine paintbrush, and I'm going to try to draw.
Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
We're gonna see how this turns out. I think Mommy can do it.
That's the best Mickey Mouse I've ever seen.
Thank you.
No, I actually love it. It's not that really bad. Riley and Daddy are gonna love my nails.
You are gonna love them because they love you. Here's our final product. Those look beautiful. Let's see your Mickey Mouse on both hands. I think I did pretty darn good, B. How many stars?
100 out of a million. So Mickey Mouse is a great sign.
I love it.